Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get better at Brawl Stars. So if you want to improve at Brawl Stars, you have to follow this.
Let's do this!
So first, we have master the basics. So learn the controls, including the movement, the aiming, and the acting. And you should also understand enemy management and how to play them. Number 2 is start with you can also the strongest one. Practice with hold or fighting to long range. Number 5 is upgrade and use gadgets wisely. So upgrade your power level for better stats, and the also unlock and 3-star powers and gadgets. Counter them. So follow balance changes and adapt to ground changes. And learn new tips and tricks from the patch notes.
Winning!
Number 9 is control your tilt and stay consistent. So you can take breaks if you're losing your to rush the trophies, you can play smart instead of playing. So just stay calm and focus on improving instead of so by following these steps, you will win more matches. You can also gain trophies faster.
Let's go!
That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.